Okay, so we spotted this fig tree while we were driving on that road there, and we decided to stop. This is right by the Unisa University of South Africa. This fig tree is actually growing out of the bridge. If you come from the bottom part, you will never see it growing into the ground. And it's very interesting. I don't know what type of fig it is. Like I showed you guys this figs here, the leaves look like that. They are very thick and hairy, and it would be interesting to know what type of fig this is. I mean, if I can zoom in, it really is growing out of this bridge, so you can't reach it from the bottom in this crack. So it probably started off as a little fig plant or something here, maybe from seeds, who knows. But it seems quite old. We made a cut there, and some of the juices are spilling out, so it's a very healthy tree, and I wonder what will come of it. So we're going to try and propagate it. If anybody can let us know or say what type of tree they think this is, we'd much appreciate it. Red Rocket out.